Hi guys. Welcome to SawaLearn. Tired of not getting interview calls? We will show you the way of getting interview calls by writing a CV in a professional way. Let's roll.
Good morning, Daddy. Have a nice day.
Oh. Good morning, my dear. It seems you are awake early. What are you doing?
Oh, alright. I woke up early and trying from early morning to write a professional CV in order to apply for a job. It's very complicated to do that.
In my opinion, I believe if you pay attention very well and follow a tip step by step, then you will skip these difficulties and that's make you master at writing professional CV. So easy, my dear, according to my experience.
Oh, really? Can you help me writing a professional CV?
Sure, after we having our breakfast, I will instruct you to writing one. Don't worry about that.
Thanks, Daddy. That will be great.
Before you go looking for a new job, it's very important that you prepare well to go, and instead of hearing the response, unfortunately, you are not the right person for the job, you will impress those responsible for job opportunities or workers in the human resources department of companies, and they will be affected positively and ask you to start working. If they are convinced of the information and experience you have provided them on your CV. It is important to pay attention to the CV in the preparation stage. The CV not only be attractive but also include the accurate information and words needed by recruiters in companies that help them make their decision. The way of writing CV. There is an important point that you should think about carefully. When preparing a CV, this CV should not be long. It should summarize important information about you. The information in it should be presented in a dynamic academic way, without making the assessor become bored. For this reason, it's important that you stick to the following points and try to be as purposeful and concise as possible.
Some tips to land interview calls. Let's start with the first tip.
Be creative. Replace text with video resumes. Personal data is the first piece of information that you should include in CV. Personal data include name, nationality, country, address, marital status, email, LinkedIn, and the last one is phone number. Academic study. It is very important to list it at the CV. It allows you to obtain certain opportunities in some professions. Academic study includes the name of university and the year in which you graduated. The language you speak. Mastering more than one language is a feature that has become more popular in the market. You must list the language you speak, read, and write. Professional and work experience. Include the name of companies, the position, the activities, and the year of starting and ending time. Computer skills. You can add program and applications that you are good at working on your CV. This information is really important in order to really help you to stand out and shine among many of your competitors in the market. Courses. Listing a courses on the CV gives a human resource manager an idea for knowledge and skills that you have acquired during the current studies. Objective is an essential part of CV, consist from 3 lines. Mention the type of job the applicant would like to obtain and also indicate the skills and the experience that yet which qualify for the job. Optimize your resumes to suit the company that you will apply for it. This is ready CV. Look at it. You can download and edit this template below this video.
Try these tips.
Let me know how it worked for you in comments below this video.
Good luck.
Bye bye to next video.